In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Replo's subscription selling plan selection components to allow visitors to your store to select a subscription selling plan for adding to the cart. So in this case, I've got my store already set up and I've got my product block here already. Now this particular product has subscription selling plans set up. This one's through Recharge, but you can use any subscription selling plan app on Shopify. I would like here below the price for the user to be able to select the subscription selling plan that they're going to add to their bag. What I'm going to do is go to Components, search for a selling plan. I'm going to drag in a selling plan list component. Now this selling plan list can be customized just like any other component in Replo. So in this case, I think I'm going to make it vertical and I'm going to make it reverse so that the one-time purchase option shows up first. Now one other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the product and I'm going to go to the config and I'm going to make sure that under the default selling plan, I actually want the one-time purchase to be selected by default. Now, if I want to only sell subscription selling plans, I can also toggle this config value off in the selling plan list to not include the one-time purchase. But for this demo, I'm going to include the one-time purchase. Now, if I go to preview, you can see that the price dynamically updates when you select the subscription selling plan versus the one-time purchase. Now, in order to have the subscription selling plan be added when the user clicks this button, I'm going to go to interactions and I'm going to add a add to cart interaction. I'm going to select the product, make sure I use the selected variant here, and then when I click select selling plan, I'm going to use the dynamic data value of the selected selling plan that the user has selected. Go here, make sure all these are dynamic, and then click save. Now I'm going to publish a page. Then I'm going to go to the live page, and you can see that the subscription selling plan selector is updated here. And if I click delivery every 80 days and add to the bag, that will get added correctly to the cart. Replo also supports selecting selling plans using a dropdown instead of a list. So for example, if I wanted to go to Components and drag in a selling plan dropdown, that works the same way. So I'll go here, I'm going to make this one to fill the available with, and same for its container. Now if I go to preview, one-time purchase and delivery every 30 days or 80 days is selectable in the same way. I can also go to my selling plan dropdown component and I can configure different things. For example, I can have a different text for one-time purchase, and just like the selling plan list, I can toggle the inclusion of a one-time purchase option in case I don't want to allow one-time purchasing.